Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Chef B. You can go ahead and subscribe down below, press that bell button for notifications. For today's video, we're about to do an install for UNice. But girl, do you see this hair? I dyed my hair. We need to cover our hair for this install. So the hair that we'll be installing today is their Yaki straight wig. And it also comes with a band to adjust because this is a glueless wig. But babes, straight out of the package, I was impressed by the lace. Okay, do you see the transparency in this lace? Like straight through. So I got this wig in 24 inches and this is their 7x5 lace. And first things first, I'm gonna need to slick back my edges because again, we colored our hair. We don't need our hair be peeking through our wig, so I want to make sure that everything is slicked back and out of sight. And then I'm going to put on the wig cap. So I'm not going to wear the wig cap all the way to the front because I don't want that line in the front to show. This is more so to protect our hair. If you have black hair and you cornered your hair going back, like, you honestly do not need a wig cap. But as I said, the color of my hair, and then it isn't cornrowed, so we need that. So we'll be using this foaming lace tint. I just got this at my beauty supply store and I'm like, oh, let me try this, and I actually like it. So you spray the mousse onto the hair and let that dry, and it dries so quickly. It dried like in a minute, but if you need it to dry faster than that, just like use a blow dryer. And look at the tint on our wig, like that is scalp ready. So I put the band in the back and I adjusted it because we are going to be wearing this wig glueless. So I pushed back my little wig cap a little further back because as I said, I don't want that line to show. And then we're gonna flip that baby over, and this is what it's looking like. I got this wig and I think it is 150% density, so that sounds a little bit, but babes, do you see how thick this Yaki straight hair is? Like, it is thick. So I'm just making sure that my parting is straight and everything is neat. And what we're going to do is we're going to customize this wig a bit because straight out of the package, it's cute and whatever, but we need it to look professionally done. Okay, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. First things first, you need a hot comb, and you need to make sure that your parting is flat. If you got a piece-shaped size head like myself, you need to make sure that it's flat or it's going to be humpy as hell in the back. So I make sure that everything is flat as possible, and it's still looking a little bit boxy, but we're going to fix that in a second. Like, we can't have our wig looking like we just got it straight out of the beauty supply store and just wear it out straight out of the store. No ma'am, this is about to look like a professional install. So what I'm gonna do is, even though the wig is pre-plucked and it's the bleach, or not a bleach child, the knots already bleached for me, I still need to do that slight customization just to make sure that it looks a little bit more natural. And also, it's not a one size fit all, so if you need to cut that lace just a little bit just to shape, you know, your natural hairlining, do that. Don't be afraid to just do a little snip. So I'm just doing very light plucking. We really don't have to do too much. I'm just doing this because I just want it to look a little bit more natural, and that is how it's looking after I did a slight plucking. Do you see the difference on both sides? And then now we're gonna go in with this mousse. Now it says mousse melt, so you can use this on your glueless wig because it's not going to melt the lace onto your skin per se as if you were using the spray. It's more so to give the illusion like your wig is melted. And also, I realized that it works really well if you want to do some soup to soup. If you like big baby hairs, you can go ahead and do that. But I also saw that if you just put this on there and just leave your hair like straight back, it looks super flawless. And even if you do the little soup edge type situation, it's still gonna be soft instead of looking, you know, like super molded, and I absolutely love that. So real quick, I just wanted to show you guys a side by side how our wig looked in the beginning and how it looks like 2 minutes after. Now our next issue is to cover that dent situation caused by our wig cap. And that is the thing why I don't usually wear wig caps, is because I eliminate that process. I eliminate the wig cap showing, but you know, we colored our hair, so we gotta do that extra step. But as I said, if you got black hair, your hair is already cornrow, you do not need a wig cap. And babes, you want to see how quickly I flat ironed this hair. It was so quick. Like, look how she's moving for Yaki straight hair, like stiff weird, like she is bouncing. This hair is bouncing. Look how shiny it is. Like, I'm loving the black, the nice silky black of this hair. It's not too silky, it's still giving like a natural type of texture. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of that mousse, and then I'm just going to use it on top for my flyaways. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of bronzing powder. I use this to contour, just to make sure that my makeup and my forehead, where the lace is matching, so I don't get that flashback in my pictures. And then I use a little bit of that on the parting space to cover our wig cap, and that is it. This is the end look, y'all. Look how pretty, flawless, and amazing this glueless lace is. It is giving everything that needed to be gave. Let me know what you guys think about this. It was done so quickly, so easily. This is so much for my beginner girlies that, you know, you're new to the wig game. Like, this is the wig for you. All the details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all major platforms, social media platforms at damn that's chef, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.